Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to your English class with me. In our previous class, we have learned describing words, and we know the other name of describing words are, yes, adjectives. So, firstly, we have learned the definition, then we have learned some examples. So, in our today's class, let's do a quick recap, then we will jump into our today's topic. So here I'm going to repeat the definition of describing words. Now, what are called the describing words? I know that now you know it very well. So repeat after me. The words that describe the quality, quantity, condition of naming words are called describing words. So basically, the words describe the naming words are called describing words, like red rose. Here rose is the naming word and red is the describing word, because red is describing the rose's color. Like big elephant. So here elephant is the naming word and big is the describing word, because big is describing the elephant's condition. How is it? Right? So now we will jump into our today's topic. Now, what will be our today's topic? Okay, so for this, we will take out our copy and then we will write today's classwork and date. So today's date is 9/12/2020 and classwork. Please write it on your classwork copy and then we will start our today's topic. Okay, so come, let's read the heading aloud. So here the heading is fill in the blanks. Okay, but with a twist. We will provide some words here, some describing words, and there will be the sentence with pictures. You have to decide which word will go on with which sentence. Okay, then you have to write it. We will help you. I will help you in the video. I will describe you the meaning, the everything, but answer is yours. Okay, so come, let's start today's questions. So here is your words. Let's read aloud. Fat, F-A-T, hot, H-O-T, tall, T-A-L-L, wide, W-I-D-E, huge, H-U-G-E, small, S-M-A-L-L, round, R-O-U-N-D, open, O-P-E-N, short, S-H-O-R-T. All are describing words and we will fill the blanks with these words. Okay, so come, let's see the fill in the blanks. So number one question is this, T-H-I-S, this, is, I-S, is, a dash tower, T-O-W-E-R. There is a picture beside the tower and see the picture. Think, how could it be? Is it tall or is it short? Then find the words from the box and write it down. Okay. Now number two sentence is T-H-E the, T-E-A-T, is dash. Now see the picture and understand what type of tea is it. Is it hot or is it cold? And write it down. Now see the third sentence and let's read out. These, kittens, kittens. That means the kittens means the baby of cats, and after that there is R-A-R-E. So these kittens are dash. See the picture and understand these kittens are small or big and write it down. Now our sentence number 4 is T-H-E the, R-O-A-D road, I-S is dash. The road is dash. See the picture and write down what you have understand. Okay, so our sentence number 5 is THE, the, LADY, lady, has dash hair. The lady has dash hair. See the picture and make yourself understand what you will write on the dash. Okay, so now come to number 6, and here we have the, earth, is dash. Now see the picture of the earth. How is it? Is it circle or is it rectangle? So you know the another name of circle, right? Okay, then write it down on the dash. Now come to number 7, and here we have the, pig, is dash. The pig is dash. Look at the picture and see how the pig is. Is it thin or is it fat? And write it down on the dash. Okay, so here is our number 8. The, is dash. The box is dash. Look at the picture and see how is the box. Is it closed or is it open? Then write it down on the dash. Now this is our last sentence, 9 number. So look at it. The, dinosaur, is dash. The dinosaur is dash. Look at the picture and I know you have already guessed the answer. So write it down quickly. You can do it. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you have learned many things, right? Many describing words you have learned today, and I know you will practice it for your betterment. Till then, take care. Goodbye.